and enriching first half of Indira Brand Slam 2022, we all have reconvened for the afternoon sessions. Before I invite my next speaker on stage, we want to confer upon awards on three of our very deserving awardees. And to do the honors, may I request Dr. Pandit Mali, Director, Indira Institute of Management, Pune, and Dr. Virendra Tatke, Director, Indira Global Business School, to please come up on stage. And our first awardee is Mr. Karanveer Puri, Business Head, Udan Express. Very proud to say that sir is our alumni. Mr. Rishikar Krishna, Mali sir, shall we request her to stay on stage so that later on we can have a group pic? Okay, so our second awardee is Mr. Rishikar Krishna, AVP, CCN Brand, Aditya Birla Group. Again and in the right. Congratulations, sir. Last but definitely not the least, we have Mr. Abhijit Dikshit, Vice President, Marketing, HDFC Bank. Can we have a group picture of all three awardees with you? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please. Congratulations to all the awardees. And thank you, sirs. Thank you, sirs. So, our first speaker for this segment of IBS 2022 is Dr. Sameer Kapoor, Director at Factors PR, an image shaper, a storyteller, and a beholder of the power to revolutionize the way we think what we want. These are the characteristics of a public relations specialist and aptly describe a few of many attributes of our speaker for today. Dr. Sameer Kapoor, Director at Adfactors PR, armed with more than 2 decades of experience in corporate communication, investor relations, and strategic planning, Dr. Kapoor plays a significant role in the firm's continuing success and growth. Dr. Kapoor is an engineer with an MBA in Finance and Marketing. He has earned 2 PhDs, one in International Relations and Public Affairs from the University of SDECA, and the other in studying the strategic patterns in the Indian media and entertainment sector from AMU. It was my dream university one point in time. He is an author and columnist. His articles are published in leading newspapers like Times of India, Hindu, CNBC, and Economic Times. He was awarded the PR Person of the Year in 2017 by Business World. Can't wait to hear from you, sir.
Thank you so much. And thank you for this opportunity. I thought I'll give you a 300 slide presentation today because just after lunch, any which way you guys are about to sleep. So let me just add more to it. And thanks to our friend from Kimberly-Clark, he actually made sure that he's taken most of my stuff on AI, ML. मेरे को लगा यार अब मैं क्या बोलूँगा, सारा तो वो बोल ही चुके हैं और मेरे से इतना अच्छा बोले हैं. So what exactly can I do now? And of course, this is the topic that all of you are aware of. This is something called Public Relation 2.0. And why is it the next version? Acha, okay. All right, then it is good. No, I have not copied it, don't worry. This is my original. These are the things that, of course, our speaker prior to me was also touched upon the fact that we are looking at a new web. In fact, this Web 2.0 is also old. We are talking about Web 3.0. Companies are working on 3.0, what that web is, and we'll just understand what it means for PR people. So I'll give you a context to what is happening around the world, macro perspective, and then what it means for PR. And of course, as you are aware, people have spoken before me, तो अभी मेरे पास कुछ नया ज़्यादा बचा नहीं है बोलने के लिए, तो मैंने कहा अभी कुछ तो करें. Then of course, how blogs and RSS, and this has nothing to do with BJP, that RSS is separate, this RSS is separate, but this RSS has made life easier, by which I mean if you go to a website, you like the content, you don't have to copy it now. There are icons, you just click it, and it will take you to that platform. That's the beauty of what this real simple syndication of feed does. Then of course there are multiple other things that are coming up. There's something called astroturfing, we'll just speak about it. Then why social media and social networking is emerging as the new wave. He spoke about metaverse. Facebook has named themselves as Meta, shows the power of the name metaverse. So there is one universe and then there is a metaverse. Because all of us, and specifically the Gen Zs that you spend most of time on selfies, Instas, Snapchats, so metaverse is needed for you because you spend more time there than you spend time in the real world. And that's why Phygital, that is physical and digital, is here to stay. He just mentioned upon that part. Can you shift to the next slide? Yeah, okay. Right, so let's look at what is Web 2. Simple term, I will not use complicated processes for you. So simply Web 2 is, can you go to the next slide? Yeah, Web 2.0 is all about participation. It is all about user getting in control, user getting in charge. In your world, on your Insta, your Facebook, your Twitter, you are the media. You are not bothered what is Nike saying, you're not bothered what Adidas is saying, you are the media. And therefore, you are the sutradhar, you are the storyteller. And every person today has become a journalist, every person today has become a PR person. I manage a lot of brands. My company manages close to 600 brands on a retainer basis. We are the largest PR firm in the country today. And of course, as some of you are aware, this Marcom space is crowded by a lot of multinational giants. And however, in this space, the reason why they're not able to figure that out, I'll just tell you why, because it doesn't work on templatized version. It works on the way you need to make sure that you are telling a story which is your own, that is your brand story. So when I look at this part, this is what version 1 was. It was more like a Man Ki Baat that you were doing on a platform where you will not receive any feedback. But in the new world, right, so I've not mentioned anyone, right, so I'm sure, is this getting recorded? Then it is okay. The second one is Web version 2.0, where the audience takes control. Look at Twitter. The reason why Twitter has exploded, and specifically in India, is because you can go back and say whatever you want, to whichever brand you want. The audience is taking control, and that's why this participation in web becomes very important, very, very powerful as to what's happening. Because earlier, it was brand telling a story. Brand was saying, this is what I am. Nestle was saying, this is what I am. But like my previous speaker alluded to the fact, that the consumer can now talk back. You are doing an email campaign. कोई देख भी नहीं रहा हो उस email campaign को because he's bothered about something else. आप ओला का कैब यूज करें, ओला आपको 6 रुपए प्रति किलोमीटर के हिसाब से ऐड दिए जा रहा है और आप वहाँ वो जो उसकी कैब में खराबी है आप उसी के बारे में ट्वीट करे जा रहे हैं. And you will use choices of the language. You know, I look at data. Twitter हो गया, Facebook हो गया. You use choices of the language. And I come from up north, Delhi, and you know we have this perception कि Delhi वाले सिर्फ लड़ाई करते हैं या बात भी वो normally you know गाली दे के ही करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है. But that's what the perception has become. And this is what audience has taken you know in a big way. And that's where Web 2 becomes very powerful. Can you shift to, yeah. Now, when I was your age, you know, of course, I'm, like she mentioned, I'm from a dinosauric age, but I was your age, there was remote that was the culprit. कि भैया ad आई, आप channel change करना. Today, this entire thing is about mouse. You can switch the site. And that's called the bounce, you know, the bounce rate. What is the bounce rate? Because you're looking at the engagement. Is the website engaging enough? He mentioned that websites are going to die in next 5 years. They're already dying. The brands have already started moving to something called the C-commerce, conversation commerce. आप Insta पे कुछ देख रहे हैं, suddenly बीच में एक pop-up आ जाएगा. You want to buy this? You just go there. And Insta will buy it for you. You don't have to do anything else. WhatsApp, you are having a chat, you want to transfer money, there is a rupiah ka sign in WhatsApp and you can transfer money if you want. So it is, every company is now in fact going to become a fintech company soon. You will realize that. Everyone is going to have this UPI enabled thing in it and everyone will be able to transfer the money. So this entire participation of Web 2 is the key thing. Can you go to the next slide please? Now this is from a PR person perspective, you know, a lot of politicians that I've worked with, a lot of parties that I've worked with, a lot of bureaucrats I've worked with, this is their final destination. In India, it's called the Economic Times, Times of India, front page pe coverage आई है या नहीं आई. That's what you know I get asked as PR professional. But outside, was मेरे को person of the year चाहिए. Elon Musk is here, right? Now, Time magazine gave this as the cover. Person of the year. The most powerful magazine in the world has given computer and has written you as the name there. That's the power of what this entire macroeconomic world is moving towards. And it says that yes, you control the information world and welcome to your world. Because now the storytelling is all about my world. And look at any of your cousin, yourself, your uncle, aunt, everything is about themselves. This is also about, you know, that WhatsApp family group where you get good morning bouquets, you know, so on and so forth. Now, thanks to a gentleman who's got the data really cheap. But there was a time data was very, very expensive. I used to tell my uncle, you know, he's 80 years old, वो सुबह सुबह मेरे को वो बुके भेज देते थे WhatsApp ग्रुप पे और मैं थोड़ी सी दूर ही रहता हूँ उनके घर से. I used to tell him, आपको भेजने में भी पैसा लगता है, मेरे को डाउनलोड करने में भी पैसा लगता है. This of course was prior to 2016, before Jio came to the limelight. But now what has happened is this data thing has put all of you in control. And I'm sure many of you are bored. I can see some faces on WhatsApp कि यार क्या बोले जा रहा है. This is what data has done because it's virtually cheap. Wi-Fi is free. You're looking for Wi-Fi in that part of the world. Next slide, please. And this, coupled with the mainstreaming of the web access, has made everyone an influencer. Everyone is influencer. So I don't know how many of you are aware of a lady called Kusha Kapila. She's an influencer with millions of followers. We have a 95% market share in the IPO segment in the country today. And it is no longer an Economic Times or Business Standard. It is the new age platforms called Zerodha and Upstock. And they blog. They can make or break a brand. Similarly, a YouTuber named Rachna Ranade, I don't know how many of you follow her, she has 19 million followers. Her one saying that, you know, Paytm is not good, you just realize what happened to Paytm IPO. Versus she saying Zomato is good or Nykaa is good, it's 82 times subscribed. I'm not saying she's the only one responsible, but that's the power that these influencers today have. And that, the fact that they can mainstream it, you can record this and put it on a YouTube. Mainstreaming will hardly take, and there's no money. There's no investment that is needed. Next slide, please. Now, I go back to this gentleman. He's known as the czar of modern media. Of course, now he's retired. Gentleman is called Rupert Murdoch, and he's comparing this to printing press. He's saying, if you go back to the history, this is like going back to the history 500 years back when the printing press was being formed. And that democratized books. You know, I'm sure if you buy, he mentioned Kotler as one of the subjects that you have to study for marketing. आप original खरीदने जाएंगे तो बहुत महंगा होगा. You know, given the monies that you have, because you have to spend that money on Starbucks as well. So, you know, you probably photocopy. And that has happened only because of printing press and other things that have made those things cheaper for you. So Rupert Murdoch is saying that technology is shifting the power away from editors, from publishers, from establishment, and what Mr. Arnab Goswami says as Lutein media, Lutein Delhi media, or media elites. You have become the media in yourself. तो आप अगर आपको पता चलना है कि रिपब्लिक भारत या रिपब्लिक क्या बोलने वाला है, आप 6 बजे उसका ट्विटर हैंडल पे चले जाइए. आपको 9 बजे की डिबेट पता चल जाएगी कि वो क्या करने वाला है. राइट? उसके बावजूद लोग जाते हैं वहां बहस करने के लिए. दैट इज सेपरेट. बट पॉइंट इज दैट दिस इज व्हाट पावर, दिस इज व्हाट मीडिया कैन डू, दिस इज व्हाट सोशल मीडिया कैन डू. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? ये ठीक है, दिस इज मैक्रो पर्सपेक्टिव है, ये दिस इज वेरी नाइस, दिस इज ऑल गुड. व्हाट डज इट मीन फॉर पब्लिक रिलेशन? Public relation, by the way, at one point in time was considered as a subset of marketing. When I was in Ogilvy, मेरे लिए एक स्लाइड बचती थी सिर्फ 50 स्लाइड्स में, आखिरी में PR डाल दियो सिर्फ कुछ मीडिया के बारे में लिख दियो. This of course was 25 years back. Right? Today PR drives this entire narrative. So मंत्री से संतरी तक, मोदी जी से लेके फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर तक सबको PR चाहिए, सब PR कर रहे हैं. Everyone is doing public relation and will tell you the reason for doing that PR. Right? And one of the ways why PR is now so powerful, everyone needs it. The fact that you are writing your own blogs, and my request to all of you as students, get your digital presence. Get on LinkedIn, get on Twitter, there's no investment. Just make sure you start following brands that you like and engage with them. There are so many students, right? कौन सा HUL को कैसे पता चलेगा you guys are interested in them? और Ogilvy को कैसे पता चलेगा you guys are interested in them? So you need to follow, you know, on the social media handle. It's easy, and the fact that all of you can make sure that you engage with them on social media, it makes life much easier. Next slide, please. Now this is what the thing is. While it is getting complicated, but certain fundamentals remain the same, which primarily means what you say about yourself is advertising, what others say about you is PR. And people will tend to believe more what others say about you rather than what you say about yourself. And that's one of the reasons why there is a huge amount of investment. One of my previous speakers spoke about AI, ML. ML is nothing but machine learning, right? And we'll just explain why do you need that machine learning. You don't need to learn what goes inside. मर जाओगे आप, इतना सारा उसके अंदर engineering होती है. But understand how will it help your marketing activities? How will it help you in making sure that you become the new age marketer? Next slide, please. Now, this is what it is, that PR matters more than ever because what others say about you is more important than what you say about yourself, and that's what public relation or the art of public relation has been for long. Next slide, please. Now, this is something that you are seeing. You know, you take an Ola cab, Uber cab, you order something from Zomato, you do whatever, the guys will say, can you rate us? Right? And I'm sure you are rating them as well. You know, the guy will say, sir, मेरे को 5 star दे दीजिए, 4 दे दीजिए, whatever rating you want to do. Recently, my brother was buying a car. When my dad was alive, he asked me, ki, you know, whosoever gives you the car after cleaning, you just pay him well as a tip. It is always good. So I gave him Gandhi ji ka note. The guy said, sir, मेरे को Google पे rating दे दीजिएगा. And I'm surprised. I said, for the first time in my life for 50 years, someone is saying, I don't need Gandhi ji, I need Google rating. So that's like something wrong, right? So then I kind of figured out what exactly is happening. Why is it that every brand that you download, every app that you download is asking you to rate? So there's the reason for that is, next slide please. Bain & Company research which says a 12% increase in net promoter score NPS gives you double the revenue. A 12% increase in net promoter score gives you double the revenue. And if you go back to 1997, Michael Dell was asked in 1997, how will he save Apple? And Michael Dell says, in 1997, you can go on YouTube and watch it, that I will sell it and give back the monies to the shareholder because they made a huge loss of $2 billion for a company that was capitalized at that time at $8 billion. Right? And then, of course, Steve Jobs came back. He's known for his eventing, PR stunts, publicity, the stuff that he's done. And of course, he invested in the right storytelling. And he was the first company to reach $1 trillion mark in market capitalization. In fact, the only company which has a $3 trillion mark. Just to give you a perspective, Apple का market capitalization इंडिया के GDP से ज़्यादा है. एक कंपनी एप्पल सिंगल लाइन प्रोडक्ट्स बना रही है, ऑफ कोर्स अब काफी सारे बनाने शुरू हो गए, बट सिंगल लाइन प्रोडक्ट बना रही है. मार्केट शेयर भी ज्यादा नहीं है, एप्पल का मार्केट शेयर सिर्फ 15% है, सिर्फ 15%. एंड उसका मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन इंडिया की जीडीपी से ज्यादा. इंडिया की जीडीपी 2.5 ट्रिलियन है और एप्पल का मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन 3 ट्रिलियन टच हुआ है कोविड के दौरान. एवरीवन एल्स had nothing else to do but as if to buy Apple products. Right, so this is, and you look at the fan following of Apple. We all know that the next product of Apple will be in the range of 1.5 lakhs and above. Yet people wait to get the new Apple product. And you have Android phones which keep on shouting, you know, we are better, product is better, things are free, come buy us, nobody's buying. Now, I'm not saying nobody's buying, of course people are buying, but people have an aspiration, or the cult brand. Dr. Bhatia gave that first sheet which says, which are the brands that are cult. Very few brands become cult brands. Very few. Apple is one of them. Next slide, please. Now this is again a story that I want to talk about. It's called the Kryptonite saga. Now this happened by a blogger many years back when web was not as powerful as it is today. So there's a company called Kryptonite, there was a company called Kryptonite in USA that launched a bike lock, क्योंकि US में लोग बाइक ज़्यादा चलाते हैं, climate change को लेके ज़्यादा concerned हैं, हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. I come from Delhi, हमारे में AQI जो है, वो अगर 1000 नहीं होता तब तक हम, we don't create a mess out of it. Till 900, we are legends. Till 900, we are okay, AQI. It's only when it touches 1000, the air quality is very bad. और बाहर 60 भी हो जाता है तो people start creating ruckus. Delhi में चलता है. Now, this guy is a blogger, vlogger. At that time, there was no YouTube. Kryptonite said that my lock is the best lock and therefore I will charge a premium to that lock, and people bought it because it was a very good looking lock. What this gentleman did, he opened up the bike lock with a pen. चलिए खोल दिया, talented आदमी खोल सकता है. उसने वीडियो बना दिया कि खुलता कैसे, एंड उसने वो वीडियो अपने ब्लॉग में अपलोड कर दिया. और उस दिन से लेके 12 दिनों के अंदर ये जो $35 मिलियन कंपनी है, इसने चैप्टर 11 यानी बैंक्रप्सी के लिए फाइल कर दिया यूएस में. इतने केसेस हो गए. मतलब आपको, फॉर सम ऑफ यू आर अवेयर, दैट पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज वेरी लिटिगेटेड. मतलब आपने जोर से किसी को बोल दिया तो वहाँ पे वो केस कर देते हैं आप पे. उनको एक आध दिन थोड़ा इंडिया ऐसा बॉम्बे लोकल्स में बिठाएं, फिर पता चलेगा कैसे केस करते हैं. राइट, सो PR matters more than ever because what others say about you. You might say mine is the best lock. I'm like the Godrej lock of that area. Yet, when the blogger is saying, I can open it with a pen, when others see it and they start taking you to court because of that, that's the power that PR will have. How much time do I have? I'll just quickly, next slide. Now, this is what happened on the blog. It's called a blog storm. You can Google it. It's called the Kryptonite saga. It's a very popular one. So I will not give you an example of US. I'll give you an example of India. 2015, a brand called Maggi said कि यार एक छोटा सा यूपी के एक छोटे से शहर में मेरे को जो फूड इंस्पेक्टर है उसने बोला कि आप में लेड और MSG ज़्यादा है. MSG is not messenger of God, not Baba Ram Rahim, it's monosodium glucamate, right? एक केमिकल डलता है मैगी में, वो ज़्यादा निकला. तो नेस्ले बैठा है US में, यूरोप में, उन्होंने कहा यार ठीक है, इंडियंस हैं, कोई बात नहीं, अभी भूल जाएंगे. And because of their non-agility, because of their chalta hai attitude, they gave Baba Ramdev a run for, Baba Ramdev gave them a run for money. He launched Atta Noodle. And then he said, my noodle is better than your noodle. So a brand that has a virtual monopoly in the market, Indian market, in that ready-to-eat 2 minutes noodle, they allowed UP and they allowed Baba Ramdev, of course, to capture a larger market. It's because they didn't do their PR well. And then they came at Mera Wala Maggi and all that ads had to be spent. There was a 38 crore ad budget that they had to spend on a brand which was already very highly penetrated, had a huge brand recall. And as I said, I'm from Delhi. हमारे Delhi में ना लड़कों को पता नहीं किसी वजह से खाना बनाना नहीं सिखाते हैं. I think my mom is responsible for it. तो मेरे को सिर्फ मैगी बनानी आती थी. पूरी इंजीनियरिंग मैंने मैगी बना के काटी है. ब्रेड के अंदर मैगी, अंडे के साथ मैगी, I've done everything. And when I saw my brand kind of getting hit, I was very surprised. And that's what an online version can do. Next slide, please. PR guys mostly are known for media relations. You ask anyone, what is it that a PR does? अरे media relation करते हैं. मतलब जैसे हम सबको जानते हैं. ऐसे होता नहीं है, but I'm just telling you. PR is equivalent to MR. MR is media relations. Today, PR guys need to have these influencers in their contact list. Otherwise, they'll be dead. For you guys, some of you who will enter into PR, we have hired a lot of people from the school. We hire as Ad Factors, we hire 150 people every year, students from various mass comm, MBAs. They need to understand how blog works. They need to understand how wiki works, Wikipedia. They need to understand what are the new tools that are emerging. You don't need to understand how they are written. You don't need to understand their language. But you definitely understand how it is going to work for you. What is in it for you? That's the important part, because these are the new generation of influencers. These are the guys who Carrie Miniati, I don't know if you follow him, right? Or Technical Guruji. These guys have more followers than the mainstream newspapers. And therefore, if you are into consumer tech, you are into consumer brands, you can't ignore them. You have to have a good relation with them. Next slide, please. And this is something that I just spoke about, that everything, and you know, I'm sure some of you will be Googling me as well, but this is very important. You need to befriend Google. You can't beat them. You can't beat Google. Yeah? They have thousands of engineers that are doing algo for them. And they change their algo. उनको भी पता कि marketers पीछे पड़े हुए हैं हमारे. But you need to understand, how does search engine optimization work? How is SEO working? And if you learn that SEO, which is what are your keywords, what is the hashtag, how does hashtag get trended organically, those are the things that you need to understand, and that is going to be your PR metrics. A reputation, repertoire for future is going to be Google. If you're not on Google, you don't exist. Right? That's why people have so many selfies, so many LinkedIn posts, etc. Everything is now becoming very emotional. Everyone has a story to say. And that's one of the reasons, is because people have realized, brands have realized the power of search engine optimization. Next slide, please. Now, and this is something that is against my profession, but press release is going to die. The ubiquitous press release that has served 100 years to public relation business is going to die, because this is what the journalist of Financial Times is writing in his blog. He's saying that if you talk to the people the way press release is talked, they will hit you on your face. Because generally it is all about brands. It is about my brand, which is the best in the world, has done this. The CEO is saying, yes, this is the best thing that has happened. And journalists will say, well, story kya hai iske andar? And the influencer is going to take you to cleaners because of that. Because he understands far more than you do or your CEO does about what are the issues. So we need to embrace the Web 2.0 interactivity. It is all about making sure that we are interactive. We give them what they want, and RSS, of course, becomes a very powerful tool. Next slide, please. And therefore, for PR professionals, we need to go beyond press releases. We need to go to something called audiovisual. AV. Maximum people are now watching YouTube. There's a brand called TikTok. Because of some geopolitical reasons, of course, it's banned in this country. But I'll just give you a data point. It took 13 years for Facebook to get a 1 billion download. It took 13 months for TikTok to get 1 billion downloads. That's the power of TikTok. And TikTok did very simple thing. At the bottom of the pyramid, they just made sure that people can, just make any, जैसे boomerang होता है Apple पे, उस पे आप एक boomerang बनाएं और उसके ऊपर पीछे कोई भी गाना लगा दें. And you see a lot of people doing that. Lot of people doing that. But the good part in TikTok was TikTok has something called a watermark. So even if you WhatsApp TikTok video, it will still come, it's made on TikTok. And that's what the entire version of the beyond written word is all about. Because the gentleman from Kimberly-Clark also said that the next bottom of the pyramid, when they enter internet, it's not going to be search the way you and me search it. It's not going to be Google search. It is going to be voice driven. It is going to be, you're seeing already, आप कैब वाले से बोलें कहीं जाना है, he will not type that stuff, he will just speak. And there are 3 large players in that space already. You have Alexa from Amazon, you have Siri from Apple, and then you have Google. So the big tech has already taken lead कि बहुत जब next billion आएगा, so they are doing PR. They are doing much better PR than all of us. We are not even realizing. There is a Telugu movie that does 300 crores on box office. Unheard number. Because it uses a web stream platform and it has become an all-time hit in Delhi, as in up north. And half of them don't even understand what he's saying. And there is a large movie by huge production houses on 83 World Cup, on cricket, which is supposed to be religion in the country, the movie flops. Right? So what's happening at the bottom of the pyramid is something that is absolutely changing. And his signature style of Allu Arjun has become a rage. It has become a rage everywhere. David Warner is doing it, right? Jadeja is doing it, and others are doing it. And I'm sure on your Insta feed, you will see every other guy doing that same stuff. And there's a Pushpaga dialogue that is being run on the backdrop. That's what a web streaming can do from a PR perspective. Next slide, please. Now this is, in case you've read this book, my apologies, but in case you haven't, this is very important. For marketers to understand how to stand out, this is one of the famous marketers of our time, Seth Godin. He's written a book called The Purple Cow. And he's saying, you will not even notice a Me Too. I'm not saying hashtag Me Too, normal Me Too. Me Too means same product. But you will not even notice a same kind of product unless and until there is something new about it. And that what is called worth noticing, that he's called in his book as Purple Cow. Right? So there's a story that was told in 2014 that a gentleman who was selling tea at one of the station rose through the, the corridors of power and became or is aspiring to be the highest office that the country can provide. And suddenly he was taking a dig at the family-owned space of politics. And of course, all of us ate up to that fact. After 30 years, single largest party, a single party came with absolute majority. Because there was a story that he told. But if you look at it, he actually followed what is called the segmenting, targeting, and positioning. The age-old fundamental marketing analysis. He segmented the market, ab ki baar Modi Sarkar. He targeted the market, 5 M's of Modi's governance. And at the top end itself, Gujarat model of governance. And people ate up. At all levels, people ate up as to what he was saying. That's very important from a perspective, and it was worth noticing. When he goes, he traveled, 82 countries, right, in last 7 years? 82 odd countries, right? I'm sure after lockdown, COVID lockdown, he was the most, he was feeling the FOMO part. Jaise hum sare FOMO feel kar rahe hain, because he couldn't fly anywhere. But anywhere, have you seen any, Indo-US, Indo-China, Indo-Russia, any major breakthrough that happened? But the stories that you read, he went to US, he went on during Navratra's time, and he addressed the large audience with just water. He was just having water. He was not having anything. This you can't say via marketing. You can't say via advertising. This has to be told via press release or via public relations. And I'll give you at the expense of it as to what we did. We were envisaged, or we were asked to talk about the Gujarat model of governance. We got Wall Street Journal, of course, one of the biggest paper, and the gentleman was taken to Surat, one of the place in Gujarat, the Manchester of India, right? And the guy had spick and span, a MSME, a very small person, very small business, less than 30 crores, MSME space. The guy had very clean factory. The only thing is, जहाँ पे generator था, उसके अंदर जाले लगे हुए थे, cobwebs लगे थे. And of course, it was something that was kind of standing out. And the journalist asked, everything is so clean, why is it that your generator has cobwebs? So he said, ऐसा सर, जब से मोदी जी आए ना, तब से लाइट जो है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है, वो 24 घंटे आती है. तो इसलिए ये जनरेटर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Beautiful way of, again, storytelling. Right? And of course, Wall Street Journal gave a huge amount of coverage to us after that. Next slide, please. This is the last one. So PR is not only about messaging house, because when many of you will go into PR, this is the first thing that you will read is how to develop the message house. It is about igniting conversation. It is about making sure that there is a conversation happening. Look at Zomato, look at Amul. They enter into what is called the moment marketing. They enter into the conversations of others. Whatever is happening. Right? I haven't seen Amul ad today, but I'm sure after Vladimir Putin decides to go into Ukraine, they will come out with something very funny, and people will read that. So I'll end my presentation. As I said, it's a very long presentation, and thank you for being a very good audience. I've just taken 5 minutes extra, so thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for decoding PR for us. Very relatable style of delivery and very interesting examples. So much to learn. So maybe one question we can take.
Yeah.
One question. Anybody?
Yes.
Meanwhile, I would like to tell you that Dr. Kapoor is the author of the book When India Votes, which has been rated as one of the top seller in 2019 by Amazon in political marketing and campaigning. Yes, question please.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. My name is Shabnam. Great talk. My question was, because you work in PR, you already know about the cancel culture that prevails in the Western influencer world and is slowly seeping in India too. And because there is so much scrutiny around what you're doing presently, what you did 10 years ago, it's so easy to dig up your old tweets and videos. So how do you practice PR effectively with cancel culture around us?
So the brands have to be very, very careful now as to what they are saying. And see, it is about the ethos of the brand. What is it that the brand stands for? Or Zomato can fight a cancel culture by saying, I don't give a shit to what you say. I will not deliver because you have, cancelled a travel or a delivery boy because he belonged to a particular religion. While Tanishq, on the other hand, decides to withdraw the ad. So both brands, I'm not saying what is right, what is wrong. Each brand has to behave the way they are. So you can't have a brand that has always spoken about the fairness part of Indians and then say, no, we will show something different. Right? So brand has to live its aura. You just can't tomorrow say, Acha, just because cancel culture is going, or this is something which is topical, I should ride into that conversation.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this wonderful session.